This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. The Dräger SPC 4400 is a liquid-tight, splash-protective suit offering reliable protection against the finest particles and powders, many concentrated inorganic acids and alkaline solutions, and also against a wide variety of organic liquid chemicals. The one-piece overall is available in two different materials, CPM and CLF, and is the ideal protective suit for simple tasks. In the following, we will show you how to put on and take off the splash suit correctly, using the SPC 4400 CLF. The suit is equipped with a full face mask and filter, cotton gloves, chemical protection gloves, and protective boots as an example. First, perform a visual inspection of the chemical protective suit and its components. Do not use damaged equipment. Prepare the suit for entry, therefore open the zipper on the front. Step into the suit without shoes through the open zipper, first into the right and then into the left leg. Pull up the cuff and step into the boots. Then pull the cuffs down over the boots. Place the respirator on the chin, pull the head harness over the head, and then tighten the harness evenly towards the back. For higher wearing comfort, you can wear cotton gloves as undergloves. Place your arms into the sleeves. Pull the thumb loops over your thumbs. Then put on the protective gloves. Pull the hood over the head and over the full face mask. Have a second person close the zipper and the flap. Make sure that the hook and loop fastener is completely flat and that there are no air pockets or unsealed areas. Close the chin flap between hood and mask. Place one strip on the other strip. Attach the breathing filter to the full face mask. The suit is now ready for use. For doffing the suit, open the zipper on the front. Slip the hood over your head. When doing so, your gloves must only touch the outside of the suit due to possible contamination. Take off your boots and put them aside. Then doff the suit completely. Again, make sure to touch the contaminated side only with protective clothing. Take off the gloves. Then take off your breathing protection. Turn the suit inside out so that the contaminated side is inside, and put the suit with the gloves into a foil bag and close it. Put the boots in a plastic bag as well.